Hi everyone, I am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Simulation Exam 2. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you need help in this exam and if you need help in this complete course or you want to read for this complete MyLab Pearson course, I will do your all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access with A plus grade. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description, and my WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So we will go to my Laboratory Pearson dashboard, go to assignments, go to Excel Simulation Exam 2 and click on Start button. I can do all other online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Economics, Java, C++, Python Nursing, Medical Web Development, Math courses, Calculus, and other online courses. If you need help in any course, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. So we will click on Launch button. In cell G5, create a formula to subtract the value in cell E5 from cell F5. We will click on cell G5, press is equal to F5 minus F5 minus E5. Press enter, it will be show 2027 increase. So copy the function and the cell G5 to the range G6 to G11. Okay. So question is done. The next question of this exam is question number 2. Okay, question number 2. In question number 2, in cell H5, create a formula to divide the value in cell F5 by cell F12 using relative cell references. Simply, we will click on cell H5, press is equal to create a formula to divide the value F5 divided by F12, okay, using absolute cell references. Copy the function and the cell H5 to the range H6 to H11. H6 to H11. Look at cell H6 and then undo the action of copying the formula since it okay since it's erroneously uses a relative cell references. We will click on cell H6 and then undo the action of copying the formula. Go to the home tab in the undo group, click on undo action button. Correct the formula in cell H5 by making cell F12 an absolute reference. Copy the formula to the range H6 to H11. We will enter $sign. Okay. So H6 to H11. Copy the formula. Now question is good, done. The next question is question number 3. In cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the total admission fees collected for the 2027 Ultimate Spring Job Fair using a mix of references for cell B14. Okay, click on cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the total admission fee. Okay, copy the formula in cell I5 to the range I6 to I11. Question is completed now. Okay, cell B16, enter a formula. Enter a function to calculate the total attendee for the year 2023 through 2027 using the total is the range B12 to F12. We will click on cell B16 press is equal to enter sum function, enter a function to calculate the total attendance for the year 2023 through 2027 using the range B12 to F12. Enter sum function into the range B12 to F12 and press enter. So question is completed now. I have done 4 questions so far. Question number 5, in cell B20, enter a function to calculate the average attendance for all of the location for the year 2027. Click on cell B20, press is equal to enter average function into the range 2027 column F5 to F11 and press enter. So this question is also done. In cell B21, insert a function to calculate the median attendance for the year 2027. So you can see on my laptop screen, I have done 6 questions of this exam so far. If you need help in this exam and if you want to read for this complete MyLab Pearson course, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft Access, and all Microsoft PowerPoint. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment and capstone assessment, and final exam and midterm exam with A plus grade. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So in cell B21, insert a function to calculate the median attendance for the year 2027. We will press is equal to in cell B21 and enter median function. Go to the 2027 column F5 to F11 and press enter. So question is completed now. Okay, I have done 7 questions out of 10 questions. It's mean I have done 80% of this exam in my video. Simply, if you need help in this exam, contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this exam for you with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. If you need help in other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Math, MyLab Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical Web Development, and many more other online courses, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.